Earlier this year, I wrote the academic version of the IELTS and obtained what many would consider being pretty good scores. 8.5 listening, 8.5 speaking, 9.0 reading, and 6.5 writing. Did I say 6.5 writing? Yes, 6.5 writing. Writing dragged down my scores to a band 8.0, and that was kinda disappointing. Still not bad, but disappointing. I was hoping for a band 8.5, so 8.0 was not what I wanted. However, why did I score 6.5 in writing? The answer to that is not so far-fetched, and if you know the reason, you can steer clear of it. So in this short video, I want to share with you something you must not do if you wish to ace the IELTS. Ensure that you watch this video if you're preparing to write the IELTS, as this simple tip might just save the day for you. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, you're missing great educational, useful, and inspiring content from me. Fortunately, the solution to that is for you to locate the subscribe button below and click on it. Also, do remember to turn on notifications so that you can know as soon as I post a video. Yes, let's dive right into it. Why did I score 6.5 in writing? Well, it's not some complicated or convoluted reason from outer space. No, not at all. It's actually remarkably simple and maybe a little stupid. Promise me you won't laugh. You see, I was pressed and I needed to go use the restroom in the middle of the writing test. Yes, that's it. That's the big revelation. You see, the IELTS is many things, including a test of English. But it's not only a test of English. Don't be deceived that that's all it is. It is, in some ways, a test of reasoning. Some people would consider it to be a test of intelligence, and by the way, the ability to use a language effectively is a sign of intelligence, so that theory isn't so incorrect. It is also, I believe, a test of your ability to organize yourself and deliver results quickly. In other words, to ace the test, you must be very time conscious and mentally organized. For the listening test, you must be able to make quick, timely decisions and answer the questions, or else you will lose your train of thought. If you do lose your train of thought, you must be able to detach yourself quickly from the entanglement of that missed mark and focus on the next question, or else you will miss that too. One missed question can have ripple effects if care is not taken. For the reading test, you must be able to read quickly and pick out the most important pieces of information. That is called speed reading. You will not have enough time to read through the text properly and comprehensively. And of course, you can trust me on this. I had 9.0 in reading, so I can brag about reading. Needless to say, it's more or less the same scenario for writing. You will have barely enough time to complete your essays, particularly if, like me, you like taking your time to think before you write. So, my big piece of advice is not that you should practice before the exams. You know that already, obviously. If you're watching this, then you know that you should practice. My big piece of advice is rather that you should time yourself while you practice. Simulate exam conditions and get accustomed to the timing of the different parts of the test. Particularly for the writing test, know exactly how long it will take you to meet up with the required number of words for each of the 2 questions. Ensure that you can complete both essays in less time than what will be allotted to you. And if you learn nothing else from me, please learn to use the restroom before your exam so that you wouldn't have to use it during the exam, because using it during the exam might be tantamount to poor time management. You will need all the time that is available, and you might not get an official bathroom break once the test has begun. In my own case, using the bathroom after the exams had begun was done on each individual's time, and that for me was time I would later find out that I simply didn't have. Okay, that is it. Have you subscribed to this channel? Click on that subscribe button now so that you can get more and more of my content. I look forward to seeing you in my very next video. Do have a beautiful day and subscribe. Thank you.